I don't always use the offset and loft tool, but when I do, it's
Today we're going
awesome.
to be working on this female Automoblox, and we're going to start out with a triangle, and we're going to follow some of these directions. I think if you follow my video, you'll have a more clarity than I think these instructions give you, so um, feel free to do whatever works best for you. You will have extra credit opportunity if you can make these arms going off the side. I'd encourage you to do one of them using a loft tool and then just mirroring it on the other side. That's how I would do it. Alright, so we're going to start with a part and make a 2D sketch on, let's pick the XZ plane, and then we're going to do a polygon with 3 sides. Stick it right there, so we've got our triangle for the base, and I'm going to click on corner to corner, and I'm going to type in 0.556. Let's do this. Take a line, take it this way, hit escape, and I'm going to make this and this perpendicular. There you go. Now it's going to work. And then I'll just delete that line. Alright. I want to finish this and extrude this, and going down, here's where it tells us 0.32. So sometimes you got to reference here, and sometimes you have to reference here. Alright, so going back to my drawing, make that 0.32. Alright, and now, okay, so let's create a new sketch right on top of there, and we're going to be working a lot with ellipses. So I'm going to hit the down arrow on the circle, hit the ellipse, start it right at the center point, up and over, and so this dimension we want as 0.105, and then this dimension we want as 0.125. I'm just going to drag that below. Alright, so we've just made our first ellipse, and now we want to use this plane, but we want to offset the plane. So we're going to click here, and we want to offset it 0.19, and then we want to create a new ellipse on top of our new work plane. So I got to kind of move my mouse around, click on it, click new work plane, and create an ellipse. I'm going to center that on the same dot, and I'm going to make it, I'm going to exaggerate the size a little bit just so I avoid the other one, and I want this to be 0.110, and I want the major axis to be 0.14, finish it, and then loft. So I'm going to hit this to make it red. I'm going to click on the area inside, and then I'm going to click to add there, and OK, and I think I've got it right. Alright, and we're going to pretty much do this a couple more times.